So good morning children. In today's math class we will start a new unit, numbers. So we have seen a few topics in numbers already in our basic class. Yes or no children? Yes. So here is an activity given for you to arrange the numbers in descending order and ascending order to get the picture. Okay, so you just do it. You just join the numbers from descending order to get the picture, and here as from ascending order to arrange in ascending order to get the picture. Okay children. Okay, so here in this chapter we will see the numbers beyond 10,000. Already in basic class we have seen about 5-digit number and 6-digit numbers. So beyond 10,000 we are going to see, and we are going to write the numbers, classify the numbers after 10,000. Okay. So see here children, as an introduction, the uses of numbers beyond 10,000 in real life situation is given. So there is an example. See here, the price of a television is rupees 18,500. The price of a mobile phone is rupees 15,250. The price of LPG cylinder is 975. The price of a wooden cot is rupees 30,000. The price of a car is rupees 4,50,000. The price of a bicycle is rupees 5,250, and the price of a pencil is rupees 115. So now what you have to do is you have to classify the data. So you just read out all the data and you have to find which is more than 10,000, which is less than 10,000. Okay, so the price of various items is given in the above data. Classify the data as price more than rupees 10,000 and price less than rupees 10,000. So by seeing the amount itself, we can say whether it is greater than 10,000 or less than 10,000. Yes or no children? Yes. The price of television, rupees 18,500. It will be obviously greater than 10,000. So here what should you write? So more than rupees 10,000. Television is more than 10,000. Then price of a mobile phone is 15,250. So that is also greater than 10,000. So mobile phone. Mobile. LPG cylinder is 975. So that will be less than 10,000. So LPG cylinder. Wooden cot is 30,000. 30,000 is greater than 10,000. So more than 10,000. Under more than 10,000 you have to write wooden cot. And the price of car is 4,50,000. It is going to the next digit, 6 digit. Yes or no? So it will be greater than 5 digit number. Yes or no? So car is more than rupees 10,000. Price of a bicycle is 5,250. Bicycle, it is less than 10,000. Then pencil, cost of pencil is 115. So that will be less than 10,000. So here as a next you have to write the numbers from 10,001. So one row is filled for you. 10,001, 10,002, 10,003, 10,004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So from 11 onwards you write. You just fill all these boxes children. Okay. So the next activity is keep count after 10,000 in tens and complete the table. So first row is given for you. So 10,010, 10,020, 10,030, 10,040, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 like that. So 10,110, will be in the next row. Then the next number will be 10,120, 10,130, 10,140. So 10,150. So in the before activity, you have to write the numbers continuously. Here you have to write the numbers in tens. Okay, children? Okay. So I just fill this table and come to exercise 2.1. It is also of same type. So fill in the blanks is given. Either you have to write, so just see the sequence, okay, and you just compare the numbers whether it is coming continuously or in tens counting. So see here 10,101, 10,102, 10,103. Next one will be 10,104 obviously. So write the numbers continuously, or else 10,220. 10,230. So 20 and 30 counting in tens. So next one will be 10,240. Like that you just count and write. Okay, children? So see the next one. If you add greatest number, so which will be the greatest 4-digit number? 9,999. And if you add one more number with that, you will get the smallest next digit number. So 4-digit number will become a 5-digit number. Okay. So greatest 1-digit number will be 9. If you add 1 to that, you will get 2-digit number. Yes or no, children? So see here, 9,999 is greatest 4-digit number. If you add 1 with that, you will get a 5-digit number. So that will be the smallest. That will be the first 5-digit number. So the first 5-digit number will be the smallest number. So it is 10,000. 99,999. When it is added with 1, you will get a 6-digit number. Lakh. So every 4-digit, if every greatest number will, when added with 1, it will give the next smallest digit number. Okay. So see here 6-digit number, 6-digit greatest number, when added with 1, it will give smallest 7-digit number. Okay. Okay. 10 lakhs. And 7-digit number greatest, when added with 1, it will give 8-digit number, that is crore. And here you have one more activity. Just see that activity. So see this activity, children. So you have to find 1 lakh is given. You have to find how many ones are there in 1 lakh. How many tens are there in 1 lakh. As I'll say how to check this. You just see here 1 lakh. This takes the position ones. Yes or no? So last digit is ones. How many 1 lakh is there? See here 1 lakh. 1 lakh ones it has. Okay. So 1 lakh ones. Then tens take the next digit. So you just leave off ones place. Okay. So how many by standing in tens place, how many digits you have to the front? 5 digit. So what is the number? 10,000. So your tens place will take how many? 1 lakh will be there in tens place. While standing in tens place, you will have 10,000 tens. Okay. So if now you are in the position hundreds. So by standing in hundreds place, what number do you have? 1,000. So how many thousands you have? Hundreds you have. 1,000 hundreds you have. 1,000 in hundreds place. Then while standing in thousands place. So what is the position? How many digits you have? 100. Okay, so 100 thousands you have. Okay, children. So then next one is 10,000's position. So while standing in 10,000's position, what number you have? 10. So 10 thousands. And In lakhs position, it will have 1 lakh. Okay. So now you just see this. Do you know the number with 100 zeros? Not 10 or 20. 100 zeros after 1 is called Google. Okay. So you just know this, children. And the next one is crore in many ways. So how many crores you have in one's place? Like lakh, you just find for 1 crore. Okay, children. So do this as homework. Okay. Thank you.